Back to 20 car. The 2025 BMW M4 GT3 Unofficial concept isn't just a car, it's a rolling thunderstorm in carbon fiber skin. Sculpted for the track but imagined for the street, it flaunts a menacing front splitter, flared fenders like a wide-shouldered athlete, and a rear wing that could slice air like a katana. It's BMW's racing spirit, reborn in shadow and speed. Step inside and the interior screams motorsport minimalism. A race-ready digital cluster pulses with telemetry, while Alcantara wraps the roll-caged cockpit. The steering wheel is lifted straight from Le Mans dreams, complete with built-in screen and drive control toggles. No rear seats, no distractions, pure performance zone. In a duel with the Porsche 911 GT3 RS and Mercedes-AMG GT Track Series, the M4 GT3 stands tall with its perfect blend of German aggression and driver-focused design. Starting around $165,000, it's priced for the purist with passion. Ownership costs are premium, expect high insurance, specialized servicing, and parts sourced from BMW Motorsport, but depreciation? Minimal. This is a collector's future favorite. Behind the wheel, it's a beast, 3.5 seconds to 100 kilometers height, 600 horsepower, 550 pounds-to-foot torque, 7-speed DCT. Top speed? 320 kilometers height of controlled chaos. Pros: track-inspired looks, ferocious handling, exclusivity. Cons: harsh ride, limited practicality. This isn't your average M4, it's BMW Unchained.